Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to change table line colors in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's jump right in. First, click anywhere inside your table. When you do this, you will see the Table Design tab appear at the top of your screen. Click on it. If your table has a solid background, it can be helpful to set the shading to no fill, so you can clearly see your borders. But this is entirely up to you. Next, look for the section called Draw Borders. Here you will find an option called Pen Color. Click on Pen Color and choose the exact shade you want for your table lines. Right next to it, you also have the option to adjust the line thickness and the line style. For example, you can set the thickness to 3 points to make the borders really stand out. Now, here is the trick that confuses many people. Just picking the color does not change the table yet. To actually apply your new color, you need to go over to the Borders drop-down menu, click on it, and then select All Borders. As soon as you click that, the magic happens. Your table lines will instantly update to your new color and thickness. If you only want to change specific lines, like just the outside frame, simply choose Outside Borders from that exact same menu. That is really all there is to it. If this quick tip saved you some time, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.